Hello guys, in this video I will try just to give you a simple difference between Amazon and Shopify, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Ramain. I am a teacher and coach. So everybody knows about Amazon. Amazon is the biggest market online. It means it's not like the other retailers where they have stores everywhere, like Walmart, for example. Okay, it has not that stores, but it is building everything online, and now it is making some warehouses, for example, to for shipping into warehouses for the Prime for 2 days. As you might know, I must know, I should know that you know better than me if you are using Amazon to buy or if you are using Amazon to sell. Okay, now Shopify Inc. is another strong company. It's online. It's an e-commerce like Amazon. But the thing is, Shopify now, it's not as strong as Amazon. But I'm telling you, it could be a big threat to Amazon in the future. Okay, now let me just give you some information about the price, because for me everything is price, because the price tells you how strong is the company. Okay, understand that Amazon has come before long time, and it is a well-established company, and it is one of the biggest companies in the world online. Okay, there is other like Chinese, like Alibaba and the other stuff, but Amazon is the leading company in the world. So let's go to the price. Now, as you can see here, this is a yearly chart of Shopify. So from $25, okay, 5 years ago, in 2015, it was only $25. That's why I always tell you that IPOs are excellent if they succeed to go up. Okay, so from 25 now it is $282. Do you know how many times? So you can say, for example, 4 times, 8 times, and 3, 11 times. It means if you bought Shopify, you get 11 times your money. It means if you have put $10,000 in 2015, now you get $110,000 in these 5 years. Okay, now let's go to Amazon. Amazon is way better, because it was only $5 in 2001. $5. Now it is $1,836. This is a yearly chart. You see that? Who believe that $5, at the beginning it was only $1.31 in 97. $1.31. That's why some people, when they become millionaires, it is a true thing. Okay, so if you have bought this in 2001, now with $10,000, you are a millionaire. Okay, because from $1 to you will have, if it is $1, for example, let's say $1, you will have $1,836,000 today. But it is the belief for those who believe in price. Now, let's go back and clarify this. Understand that when a company is so strong, some investors, they believe in the company because they see what is inside, earnings and popularity, and there are people who will never sell such companies. You can take, for example, Google, Amazon, and the other stock. Okay, even Berkshire Hathaway of Warren Buffett, they will never sell. Why? Because each year, 2 years, 3 years, they see growth. The stock is going up, and especially if they give dividend. That is the good thing, because you are getting dividend and the stock is going up. It means you get two things at the same time. The price is appreciating and you get the dividend. And that's why you can expect that why some people are just millionaires, because they choose some stocks and they leave them for 10 years or 20 years or 30 years. Yes, there is risk, yes. But if someone doesn't risk, you will not get any money. So, what is the thing for today? Why I show you this video? Amazon and Shopify. I always told you that competition is always there, and never think that, for example, Amazon will stay 100 years without any competition. It's like Google when Facebook comes in a business ad. Understand that things change. If Shopify now, it is not a market. It means when you go to Shopify, you don't find a market where people buy and sell. No, it is just an e-commerce. But it has a lot of things that makes it very big, and if it becomes in the future a market like Amazon, it could be a good threat to Amazon. Okay? And there are a lot of things. If you want to go into details, you can just study Shopify, you can study Amazon, and you see more and more what is similar and what is not similar. But understand, for me and for you guys who are following the price, if a company like an IPO begins with 25, after 2 years or 3 years it is 200 or 300, this is the big deal. It means you can make a lot of money when these companies are growing so good. Okay? So thank you very much, and see you next time.